Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong love life ngayong June 2024. Ayan, so this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Okay, so meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So let's see, Taurus, what's up ngayong June para sa inyong love life. Unahin natin yung mga in a relationship na Taurus. Okay, so ibig sabihin you are committed, connecting with someone. Energy for June 2024. Okay. So you have Temperance. Sagittarius energy, maaring you are dealing with a Sagittarius or Virgo. Okay. So it seems na meron kayong maaring you will travel, go to some places. Ito yung matagal nyo ng pinaplano. Oo, hinihintay. Pwedeng kayo ay pupunta sa beach, hahabol kayo sa summer, kahit umuulan-ulan na. It seems na I am seeing you are working things out with your relationship. Pwedeng medyo naging stagnant yung relationship ninyo, yung tipong wala masyadong excitement ng mga nakaraan, pero ngayong June you will have more time together. So let us clarify, what is the Temperance? What is this? You have the 3 of Pentacles. Yes, I think pareho kayo. Willing na ayusin yung relationship. Not actually naman na tipong nagka-problema, no? Pwedeng hindi lang ganun ka-exciting yung relationship ninyo ng mga nakaraan. But ngayong June, you will make time for each other. Ayan, maaring you will start a project together, like may business kayo together or meron kayong mga activities na pagsasamahan ngayong June na mas magiging matatag or palalakasin ang inyong bonding. You have the 9 of Cups. This is happiness. Pwedeng you will also join other people like mga friends nyo, family nyo sa isang event. What is the 9 of Cups? Oh, the 3 of Cups. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na maaring may mga disappointments, no, in the past or parang longingness with the 3 of Swords. Kaya lang, maaring, pwede kasing long distance yung relationship ninyo. You are not really making a lot of activities together. But ngayong June, may maayos. Oo. Ayan o. Naiiyak siya. Let's see. What else? What is the Hermit? What is the Hermit? The 8 of Pentacles. Building a strong foundation in your relationship. I think meron ditong nakarealize na this relationship is worth it siya na i-pursue, worth it siya na mas palaguin. Wala namang perfectong relasyon, 'di ba? Ang importante dyan is you are learning from your mistakes, you are learning from your past, and willing kayo to do the work. Oo, para tong sinisave ninyo yung relationship ninyo. And you have the Sun. Leo energy rin to. So, maaring you are dealing with a Leo. Let's see, what is the Sun? You have the Queen of Swords. This is setting boundaries, no? And pagkakaroon ng confidence sa yung relationship. Minsan kasi we cling on to our person na masyado nang nakakasakal, 'di ba? Na pwedeng nagiging ugat ng misunderstanding, na parang syempre pag masyadong mahigpit yung hawak mo sa person mo is maaring dun siya mas magpumiglas, no, na ayaw niyang kontrolin siya. So pwedeng ngayong June, pag-uusapan nyo yung mga issues nyo before, mga bagay na hindi nyo na-discuss or hindi nyo na-address, na mga disappointments or mga bagay na parang isinantabi nyo kasi ayaw nyo na ng issue. May mga ganun na kahit na may sama ng loob sila, kinakalimutan, pwede, pero yung iba, isinasantabi lang at naghihintay lang ng para siyang time bomb na kapag na-stress or kapag na-trigger, biglang sasabog, 'di ba? So, let's see what else. For Taurus, you have brunette. So, yung maaring you are dealing with a brunette female, or pwedeng ikaw to, very intense and focused kayo sa isa't isa. O you have children and dating. O kung kayo ay may anak na, no, importante rin talaga na you have time for each other. Yung kayo lang, oo. Kasi minsan, no, lalo na kung ikaw ay isang mother, no, minsan nakaka-guilty na iiwan mo yung mga anak mo to go out with your husband, with your partner, na parang dapat lagi silang kasama. Kailangan rin naman sa mag-asawa, sa mag-partner, na may time kayo para sa isa't isa to go on a date. And yun yung isa sa nakakapagpalakas ng inyong relationship. Let's see the feelings of your person. Anong feelings ng person ng mga Taurus? O yun, communication. I wanted to send you a message today but I was afraid to. I don't know if you want to hear from me or if I can say the right things to you. Yan. Communication is the key. Maaring gusto ng person mo na open kayo sa isa't isa, sa mga gusto niyong sabihin. Hindi kayo nagwi-withhold, no? Ng ano ba yun? Withhold. But, ibig sabihin parang pinipigilan mo yung sarili mo sa mga bagay na dapat dinidiscuss mo with your person. Like what I mentioned kanina, ito yung mga maliliit na disappointment, sama ng loob sa person mo na sinasantabi mo, no? So, importante sa inyo na may communication. Let's see your feelings. I'm seeing synchronicities like your name or 1111 and working out what they mean. Okay. So, maaring synchronistic yung inyong connection, no? Na kapag, yung alam mo agad if there is something wrong sa relationship or kailangan mong makausap yung person mo. May mga ganun na tipong alam mo agad na may kailangan kayong pag-usapan. Oo. So, very much connected kayo. Yung inyong, synchronized ang inyong feelings for each other. You have new love. Embrace an opportunity to love or for love in your work prospects or for spiritual growth. So, I feel like this is more of a renewal sa inyo, sa inyong relationship, na you are growing as partners, no? You are growing as someone na, lovers, partners, however you want to call it. But, ang importante rito is you are growing spiritually, nag-evolve kayo, nagmamature kayo. Okay? So, that's for in a relationship. Now, let's see naman yung mga single. Meron bang darating na person? So, hindi naman kasi lahat ng single gusto ng relationship, 'di ba? Yung iba gusto nila maging single kasi gusto nilang i-enjoy ang kanilang freedom. Tingnan natin, mga Taurus single. What's coming to you ngayong June 2024? The 5 of Cups. Parang may missed opportunities kayo dito, ah. The Ace of Swords, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Okay. So, maaring meron kayong experience in the past na parang feeling nyo, meron kayong pinalagpas na opportunity to have someone in your life, no? Yung parang, maaring hindi ka pa ready, you are still in the process of, fixing yourself, gusto mo pang ayusin yung sarili mo, maaring meron kang nagawa or hindi ginawa para hindi mag-work out yung connection na yon in the past. Kumbaga naudlot siya. But I feel like you have a lot of support from your family, no? Very supportive sila sa gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, sa relationship mo. Some of you, pwede kayo ay solo parent, no? Maaring nagkaroon na kayo ng relationship in the past, nagkaanak na kayo, it's either nag-divorce, naghiwalay, annulment, or whatever, but it seems na naging focus mo ngayon ay yung family mo at kung may anak ka na, ay yung mga anak mo or even your career itself, okay? And now, with the Ace of Cups, merong pasilip na new source of happiness, romantic connection sa inyo ngayong June. So, nasa sa inyo yan if you are going to welcome this new energy of a new person coming into your life. Kasi minsan kahit na hindi tayo ready, bigla may darating, no? Oo. Tingnan natin. Consider your foundation. Look at how committed you are to love. O, ayun. Kung willing ka na ba na mag-commit sa relationship. Kasi kahit na sino pa yan dumating na yan, kung hindi ka ready na mag-commit, wala, hindi siya magpo-progress into a new relationship. Okay? So, it's all up to you. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye!